I want to start off by some inchworms in this position, or maybe if you are able to, come into a kneeling position. Slightly tuck the tailbone under, lift the lower belly in and up. Deep inhale to prepare. As you exhale, start walking out into a plank position. Walk back up, back into kneeling. Let me move forward a little bit, just so I'm properly positioned for you guys. Push the bum back, walk out into plank. Shoulder, wrist in one line, torso and thighs on one plane. My bum isn't sticking out, right? And my bum isn't collapsing. One straight slope. Back up and rise. Lift the lower belly up, bum back and down, out, inchworm into half plank, back up, rise, out, plank, back up to rise, plank, squat, out into a half plank, back into squat, rise up. If your knees feel a lot of pressure, that is a sign that you want to engage more deeply through the belly, the low belly and the glutes. So lift everything up before you go in. Come into a half plank walkout, back up to rise. Let's do 2 more. Out and back up. Last time. Push the bum back, keep the head up, and now you want to stay here. From here, what you can do is connect your inner thighs together, push your shoulder blades up. So your shoulder blades, this would be their natural position. Push the shoulder blades up, lift up the belly. If you want, you can float the toes up or keep them grounded. Bend your elbows to the back as much as you can whilst maintaining a protraction of the shoulder blades. मतलब अपने shoulder blades को ऊपर की तरफ रखें. Let's do it one more time. Deep inhale to prepare. Exhale. Down, 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 down. And lengthen. 2 more times. Deep inhale to prepare. Elbow bend जाएं सिर्फ. Down. And up. Last time. Your hips do not go low. Strength of the arms. से नीचे और ऊपर, and on the last count you want to go all the way down till your entire torso is on the mat, arms wide. अब आपने क्या करना है? Edges of the palm are on the ground. Wide arms, elbows grounded, the entire forearm is down. You are on the edge of the palm. Forehead down, chin down. Lengthen your spine from the crown of the head. Lift the lower belly in and up. Take a deep exhale. And now with a deep inhale, lift yourself up from the rib cage area and release. Inhale to lift. Exhale to release. You should feel this effort in your bicep as well if you're pressing down. And you will feel it in your pectorals. So press down on the edge. There we go. अब इसमें गलती तब होगी if you lift the chin up. That's going to put your neck in a vulnerable position. हमने chin को chest की तरफ pointed रखना है. बेशक वो touch ना करे. And down. Let's do 2 more. And let's do last 1. And relax. Relax here for a moment. I want you to place your hands next to the rib cage and close your elbows inside. So if your elbows are flaring out into the corners of the room or into the side walls, ये आपने नहीं होने देना. Your elbows must point to the back wall, to the wall behind you. So elbows point to the wall behind you. Chin tucked under, forehead resting on the mat. Lengthen your spine from the crown of the head, backs of the feet on the ground. From the midriff, lift yourself up as much as you can and ease it down. Now, if you can lift up all the way without compromising the point of your elbows. Do so. Inhale to prepare, exhale. Lift yourself up all the way if you can, but do not drop at the waist.